Here we're going to be replacing or showing how to remove a Harn bracket and put it back on. Pretty simple process. So on the side here, you have a little screw hole right here. So I'm going to put my screwdriver here. I'm going to turn it to the right, and that's going to release the bracket from the side of the drawer. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side, except I'm turning it the opposite direction, in this case to the left, and that's releasing it. So here it is. So what you'll end up doing is you would, if you're replacing these parts, you would just unscrew it from the drawer face and then put on the new bracket. And then to clip it back on, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna line it up here. We'll do the same thing. Before we press in one side, we're gonna make sure the other side is also lined up perfectly. And with one click, it's in.